Senator Kennedy and 26 other witnesses testify at a secret inquest at Edgartown. February 18th. Judge Boyle files his report and the transcript of inquest testimony with Edgartown Superior Court clerk. The documents are brought to Boston Superior Courthouse for safekeeping. March 10th. Denise examines Boyle's report. March 17th. Leslie H. Leland, Edgartown Grand Jury Foreman, requests a special session to be reconvened in order to investigate the death of Mary Jo Kopechne. March 26th. Chief Justice Joseph G. Toro of the Superior Court calls a special session of the court to convene April 6th in Edgartown for the grand jury to hear evidence in the Chappaquiddick case. April 6th to 7th. The grand jury calls 4 witnesses and returns no indictments. District Attorney Denise says the case is closed, and inquest documents can now be made public. April 29th. Inquest documents are released to the public. May 14th. The results of a secret registry of motor vehicles hearing find Senator Kennedy to have been speeding and to be at serious fault in the accident. November 4th. Senator Kennedy is re-elected to the Senate. November 27th. Kennedy takes a driver's test in Plymouth, Massachusetts, and his license is reinstated. Cast of characters. Edward M. Kennedy, Senator from Massachusetts. Dominic James Arena, Police Chief, Edgartown, Massachusetts. Walter Steele, Special Prosecutor for the County of Dukes County, Martha's Vineyard. Edmund S. Denise, District Attorney for the Southern District. James H. Smith, Assistant District Attorney and former Kennedy political campaign advanceman and campaign coordinator. Armand Fernandez, Assistant District Attorney. George Killen, State Police Detective Lieutenant, in charge of the Cape Cod office of the District Attorney. Bernie Flynn, State Police Detective Lieutenant, assigned to the Cape Cod office of the District Attorney. Dr. Donald R. Mills, Associate Medical Examiner, Edgartown. Eugene Fry, Undertaker, Vineyard Haven, Martha's Vineyard. John Farrar, Scuba diver and head of the Search and Rescue Division of Edgartown Volunteer Fire Department. Christopher Huck Look, Deputy Sheriff and part-time Special Police Officer. Russell Peachy, Manager-Owner, Shiretown Inn, Edgartown. Stephen Smith, brother-in-law of Ted Kennedy, frequent campaign finance manager and Kennedy family business manager. Herbert J. Miller, Washington attorney, former head of the Criminal Division, U.S. Department of Justice, under Attorney General Robert Kennedy. Edward Hannafy, attorney, chief counsel for Senator Kennedy at the Kopechne inquest. Robert Clark, Jr., attorney for Senator Kennedy, former district court judge. Richard McCarran, attorney for Senator Kennedy, Edgartown. Dan Daly, attorney retained to represent 8 witnesses who attended the party at Chappaquiddick. Paul Redmond, attorney, associate of Dan Daly. Joseph Donegan, court stenographer. Andrew Tooney, former Massachusetts State Police Detective Lieutenant, employed as a private investigator for criminal lawyer F. Lee Bailey. F. Lee Bailey, criminal lawyer. James A. Boyle, District Court Judge, Edgartown, Massachusetts. Bernard C. Brominski, Presiding Judge of the Court of Common Pleas, Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. Joseph and Gwen Kopechne, parents of Mary Jo Kopechne. Joseph Flanagan, attorney for the Kopechnes. Dunn Gifford, aide to Senator Kennedy. Richard Drain,